んにちは、ケンです。今日はですね、アメリカのお友達の家に来ているんですけれども、そこにね、2人のお子さんがいるので、その子供たちに唐揚げ定食を作ってみたいと思います。日本人もね、唐揚げで育ったって言っても過言じゃないぐらいね、子供の頃から唐揚げ大好きやと思うんですけども、アメリカの子供は日本式フライドチキン好きになるのかどうか、ちょっと、実験してみたいと思います。で、使う唐揚げ粉はですね、こちら僕大好きなこれ使います。中華街の唐揚げ粉と、アメリカで買ったこちら鶏もも肉ですね。鶏もも肉とじゃん、フリーズドライの浅揚げ、定食やからね、ちょっと味噌汁あった方がいいかなと思って。あとご飯ですよね。ご飯はこちらじゃじゃーん、日本から土鍋持ってきました。でこの中に新潟のお米新之助をちょっと今水に浸しておりますということで、あとね、野菜もいるかなと思ってこちらでキャベツ買いました。でっかい、これ見て、これ8ドルだって約1000円高い。じゃあ千切りが一番時間かかりそうというか、あんまり僕したことないので千切りから、キャベツの千切りから入れていきたいと思います。ちょっと洗っていきます。でかっ、伝わってるこれ。よし、じゃあちょっと水につけておいてご飯を炊いていきたいと思います。よいしょ。ではもう切るもんないね。じゃあお肉を切っていきたいと思います。これ1個でだいたい 500g ぐらいあるみたいなんやけど、そんなんあるかな。もう2個使っちゃおうか。ドリップスもそうなので出しています足りるかなと思って出したらもうめっちゃ大量のやつやったんで、唐揚げ2袋使います。これほんま美味しいよな、この中華街の唐揚げ粉。でもさ、なんかこの軟水用に作ってるとか硬水用に作ってるとかあるんかな。カリフォルニアって硬水なんかな軟水なんかな、どっちなんやろ。でも普通に日本と同じようにちゃんと溶けて作れていますという感じですね。よし、箸で混ぜていきます。あ、でもちょうどいい感じかも。ちなみにこんな感じです。これはどう考えてもライトをまずつけた方がいいであろうというのと、換気扇つけるのは多分だいぶうるさいと思いますが OK かな。ちょっと OK ですか。あ、クリスさんシャワー浴びてきたんですか。
Finished my workout
Finish your workout
and took a shower. Did you put the other chicken in the refrigerator?
No, もうそれ全部やった。じゃあルクルーゼでうわおあげたいと思います温度計あるかな。忘れたな、勝手に開けていく。いいや、大体わかるやろ。このテンって入れて、あ、まだまだですね、まだまだ。喜んでくれたらいいな。あ、じゃあそれでいいよ。ここのお父さんに温度計出してもらいました。ファーレンハイトで出るので、F は 356F、 摂氏、華氏、今が300華氏なので、あと56華氏いります。 OK、 52、4、お、いきました。よし、ではやっていけばチキンゴー。はい、こんな感じです。箱には4分って書いてあったんで、それにしっかり従うことにします。さあ、タイマー4ね。聞いてくれへんわけです。英語のアレクサでタイマーできた。嬉しい。俺の発音悪くないやん。
Alexa, stop. 今、アレクサが、ケンがスペイン語喋ってると思う。
レイロン君です。はい、say hi.
Hello.
Do you know 唐揚げ? No. Do you like fried chicken?
Yes.
Okay. Looks good. Thank you. 待って、めっちゃいい感じにできてきてますやん。唐揚げや。アメリカでも唐揚げ作れるわ。さあ。うわー、めっちゃうまそうにできてるやん。いいやん。どんどん揚げていきます。唐揚げパーティーすんぞ。さあ、タイム4 minutes。
4 minutes. Starting now.
Oh, this chicken looks really good.
Thank you.
I think the kids are gonna really like it. So. Do I put my hand in here to take it out?
Of course.
Okay, good. How's the?
それご飯。
I wanna. Okay, sorry.
よし、できました。よいしょ。見て唐揚げだったら。味見したけどいい感じでした。よし。では3人分盛り付けいきたいと思います。ちょっとぶっとすぎる千切りキャベツを盛り付けていきます。あ、じゃあクリス、プリーズドライのお酒にお湯注いでくれる？
Okay.
プリーズ。みんな見て、ご飯もすごい美味しそうにできました。嬉しいな。立ってるね。じゃじゃーん、できました。よし、じゃあ出しましょうか。
Let's do it.
最高のやっちゃいますからね。うますね。
Okay, everyone. We have the Japanese style fried chicken lunch set. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, since you're eating Japanese food, we're going to say what they say at the beginning of a meal, which is itadakimasu. 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 Are you ready? Hands like this.
せーの。
Itadakimasu. Go for it.
Got that wrong.
さあ、どうでしょうか。皆さん決めてくれるでしょうか。
Oh, starting with the miso soup.
Oh yeah, this is always the.
そうですね、スープからですね。どうですか。大丈夫そう？薄い。
Is the soup okay?
あ、味噌汁がハマってんねんから。
Would you see the rice by itself?
Yeah, you can.
Like a sticky, sort of.
Yeah. The other thing is, don't worry about, in Japan, don't worry about picking up your plates.
Can we pick this up with fingers instead
you
of
want to.
chopsticks? I didn't know if it was rude or not.
It's not the best, but.
美味しい？
Very good. Cabbage is still the same.
Yeah, the cabbage is the same.
Cabbage is the same. So the combination is very good.
本当？
The chicken, the miso, the rice, and the cabbage. Cabbage does a good job of cleaning
Yeah.
between the foods because this is a little bit heavier in salt, sodium, and this can cleanse the palate a little bit. Yeah, that's a good combination. Like,
ドレッシングなくていいかなと思ってよかった。
I like cabbage.
本当？
You know?
I like it raw.
Yeah, me too. Do you want some dressing on the cabbage, or you're just gonna pass?
I'll pass on the cabbage.
Okay.
Did you even try it?
Yeah, it's just too.
It's lettuce.
Yeah, I don't like lettuce.
Yeah, but you already drank all your miso.
Yeah.
I was gonna say take a sip of your miso, then eat the cabbage and the chicken. You'll see the difference.
I drank all the miso.
多かったら無理して食べなくていいからね。
Just wanted to make sure there
I
was
ate it
enough.
all.
本当？
It might not be enough.
It might not be. We can make more. We have a little bit left over, but
So good.
What's in the batter for the chicken?
ね。まあ、フラワー、ソイソース、ガーリックパウダー。
it's got some chicken extract.
Yeah, but it's I don't think it's not only the flavor of the batter, but it's not like under crispy, but then it's not burnt either. You know what I'm
Right,
saying?
right.
It's like perfect.
Yeah, I like this for me with the Japanese batter. Flavor is good, but also it's not like super over battered. You know, like sometimes it can be really thick batter on top of chicken or fish.
Is there like a spicy version?
意外とないかもね。でもみんなやったりする。
So generally speaking, they don't have a spicy batter, but people will add like red pepper or spice to it if they want.
前のタバスコ。
Same way we do it in America.
あ
Braylon's already finished.
あ、Thank you. 嬉しい。
Braylon, try doing it Japanese style. Pick up the rice bowl. Hold, let me see. So hold the rice bowl like this, and then try eating it.
Put your hand underneath.
Pick it up.
There you go.
So I'm coming to Japan just for the fried chicken.
Is it usually an appetizer or a main meal? Because like the pieces are small, so.
Yeah, it's usually an appetizer. So with adults, a lot of times they'll have it as like a side.
Yeah.
But kids tend to really love it, so it becomes like the main dish,
Like in America.
like in America.
Does it usually all come out with the soup? Like the miso doesn't come first? If you were to sit down like at a restaurant or something?
Usually it all comes at one time.
Okay.
It would just come on a platter, just all at one.
Because like here, it would probably come first.
Yeah, like
As a,
you get the
As a
soup, the
start.
salad first.
コースみたいな。
There's like I'm gonna have to bring them to Japan.
Yeah, everyone should write that in the comments. Like, tell Mike to bring his kids to Japan.
I'm full now.
OK 全部食べてくれましたね、みんな。ね、キャベツは日本でも美味しいから全然大丈夫。
It's so good.
So good.
good.
Thank you. 嬉しい。
We were worried that you weren't gonna be able to eat the whole thing, but
We're from America.
it's a good thing we used basically all the chicken.
Notice how the Americans don't eat the vegetables on the plate.
Yes. we went to the grocery store to get a $8 head of cabbage to have the kids leave it on the plate. On the plus side, the thing that they left behind was the only thing not from Japan. You all finished?
OK もう一回最後にごちそうさま言おうか。
Oh, so at the beginning of the meal, people say itadakimasu, right? At the end of the meal, they do the same thing and they say gochiso sama.
Gochiso sama.
Gochiso sama.
じゃあせーの。
Gochiso sama.
Good job.
My favorite part was the chicken because it had like so much flavor and it's not like usually in the US for like fried chicken you would need like a sauce to eat with it. This you wouldn't need any sauce because it has so much flavor.
Nice.
I also think the chicken is good because there's a lot of flavor to it and it's just really good.
The miso soup and the chicken were very good. Miso soup was a little bit thicker than what we get here. Which gave it a lot of flavor. The chicken, as they said, normally we make something called Louisiana ketchup, and we'll dip hot sauce into ketchup, and then take the fried chicken and we'll dip it into that and eat it that way. With this, you don't. Yeah, you really don't need to dip anything into it.
Nice.
Very good.
嬉しい、ちょっと泣きそう。
He says he's close to crying.
It's so good. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for sharing. Yes.
ではこんな感じでいろいろ動画が起きます。よかったら Like、Share、Subscribe お願いします。
お願いします。
では銀とクリス
Cristo.
アシュトン。
Braylon.
Michael.
でした。バイバイ。Thank you.
Ricky, you want my cabbage?
クリギンチャンネル